Good morning, sweetheart. How are you today? How have you been? Today, Thursday, April 23rd. Today we're going to do la 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 weather experiments. It will be fun. We are going to do 2 experiments today. The first one, cloud in a jar. We need some materials, but please, if you don't have any material, don't worry. You can get them another day and go back to watch the video in the virtual classroom and do it. Shall we start? First, add hot water to the jar here. Be careful, please. Then, a quick spread of hairspray. Shh. Let's see. Now, place the ices. Look at the picture. Ices here. Place the ices on top of the lid. On top. And observe what happens inside. You will form clouds. Great job. Are you ready for the second experiment? Okay, here you are. Tornado in a bottle. How interesting. We need 2 small bottles, 1 and 2. It is important that the bottles are transparent so that you can see the result. 1 connector or masking tape. If you don't have connector, use masking tape, the tape. Okay? Here you are. First, fill the bottle with water. Shh. Then, put the connector or masking tape between the 2 bottles. Here. 1 and 2. Turn the bottles, leaving the water bottle above. Look at this picture. Here you are. This is the water. Ready? Ta-ta-ta-ta. What happens inside? Look what happens. A tornado. Wow! Have a beautiful experience. If you can take pictures, do it. That's it for today. See you later in the other class. Bye-bye.